Hello traders, this morning in the next 13 minutes we have oil news. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader always prepares far in advance. Please remember, oil news completely in reverse to stock news. Oversupply is bearish, undersupply is bullish. More negative the number, more bullish the news. More positive the number, oversupply is a bearish news. So let's go to the charts and let's see how Alpha Fibonacci trader prepares for oil news. Oil oversold, testing critical key, Alpha Fibonacci institutional buy point. This is a critical key level, but if buyers are weak, oil will continue selling off from this level. We've been stuck in this correction for the last 2 months. That's it. With a single glimpse, Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows this and very well prepared. But let's take a look on retail chart and let's remember. On retail chart, oil oversold, bouncing from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader knows far in advance, well before oil news, to the upside this is key level. With a single glimpse, Intelligent trader knows buyers are weak. This is identical synchronicity we're receiving this morning on Nasdaq and S&P, as we will review next. I'm converting this chart to 1 on oil. Again, key institutional support and key retail reversal zone prepared on oil in front of you. That's it. Again, oil oversold, bouncing from institutional support and retail reversal zone. To the upside, this is key moment. Again, we're slightly in the middle. We would love for oil to be here at the time of oil news. That's it. This is your retail trading range. This is your oversold market on oil. If I remind you the historical event, the historical US bumping around, and all the gossip makers and all the noise makers on CNBC yelling buy oil and oil will skyrocket, Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knew many months in advance. This is not the place to buy oil. This is a place to short oil from. Let me take you to the month of May, what this key institutional chart looked like on oil. Here we go, May 20th. There is no even discussion of bombing Iran. There is only one discussion of peace talks with Iran. Oil skyrocketing since the months of April from Alpha Fibonacci buy point. Many months in advance, Intelligent trader knows this is a level that's holding the key to the bullish rally. This level is out, this level to follow, as price moves one step at a time, as you witnessed this morning on Nasdaq playing out in front of you right now. Does this look familiar? Did we know or did we know that this is a place to exit your short? Of course, as Intelligent trader, prop firm trader who is trading Nasdaq knew where to exit his short. Identical event on all charts on Nasdaq playing out right now as buyers picking up this theme. So it doesn't matter if you trade 5 minutes on Nasdaq, 1 hour on S&P, or any chart you choose to trade, you know far in advance where to expect reversal from. And if I bring to your attention oil, this is the event. Negotiations with Iran is on, everyone in shock. How can possibly Trump negotiate with Iran? Here comes brilliant, shocking move. I'm in Europe, I get paged by US consulate. The worst threats against Americans, be prepared to leave Europe. We're in shock. This is what happens this morning after. Oops, June 23rd. Not the place to buy oil, the place to short oil from. All in advance, never after the fact. This morning, oil oversold, testing key Alpha Fibonacci institutional support, chart present in front of you for years. Intelligent trader understands the power of predictive system. An intelligent trader understands not so fast. There is no powerful bullish rally at this institutional level. We're not at reversal zone. We're testing minor institutional support only. Again, if buyers fail to break through this level, sell-off will continue. Our student in Saudi Arabia ecstatic to buy the bottom on oil. Did you know traders in Saudi Arabia are not allowed to short the market, but only buy the market? That's the reason I love my work, because of our global community. So if you have freedom to short the top and freedom to buy the bottom, and you can trade any instrument you choose, please remember, this is the event playing out in front of you right now live. We knew where Nasdaq would reverse from, correct? With a single glimpse, far in advance. But if I bring to your attention key institutional chart on Nasdaq, this is what played out this morning. Sell-off and crash. On S&P, correct? Reached retail reversal zone. Where S&P finally crashed from when this level is out. Does this look familiar? Please tell me. No matter what chart you trade on S&P, if it's 3, if it's 5, if it's 10, if it's 15, identical level right now as on oil. As I constantly remind you, every single strategy I ever develop applies to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader understands and sees buyers on S&P extremely weak. Again, doesn't matter if it's 5, if it's 10, if it's 15, if it's 25, any chart. Market oversold, buyers are here. And again, if I bring to your attention Nasdaq, this is the event. This is where intelligent trader knew to short market from. Again, this is versatility of the system. Absolutely no software on this chart, none is present. System is predictive, system is proprietary. Fibonacci is my passion, Fibonacci is my obsession. If buyers fail to break through this level to the upside, buyers are weak. So reflect on that. You have opportunity today or position trade any instrument you choose. 5 more minutes until oil news. As again, if you choose to utilize the software with a trade recognition and the most basic colors have shown you. After all, it's a bold green zone. After all, short reached reversal zone taken by our brilliant prop firm trader. That's it. And that's what separates success from the rest. Absolutely no delayed indicators, absolutely no noise. Pure price for entry and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci for exits. Bullish rally picking up this theme. Response during oil news is crucial. So while we're waiting for oil news and we have a few more minutes, let's review, shall we? Amazon. Is anyone surprised Amazon selling off? Are you still holding Amazon forever? Are you still holding Bitcoin forever? Do you remember the swing points on Bitcoin? Do you remember the swing on Ethereum? There is no surprise, all precise. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand where to short from, and you understand where buyers stepped in from on Bitcoin, and you knew this many months in advance, it's identical event that playing out right now on S&P, on Nasdaq, and on oil. Here's Bitcoin, January 1st. Oops. This is how you can backtest the system going back years. Intelligent trader understands selling pressure is on, price moves one step at a time. Intelligent trader also understands many months in advance. 77,000 is a buy point on Bitcoin. Here we go, here's Bitcoin in the month of April. 25% crash is over. Buyers are here. That's it. This morning Bitcoin selling off as it reached reversal zone. How to trade Bitcoin? You must use your limitless brain and apply Alpha Fibonacci rules you learn in the course. As traders all over the world trading Bitcoin on crypto platforms, on their iPhones, their iPads while they're working full time. 110,000 critical on Bitcoin, that level is out. Bitcoin crashes to 97, after 97, 85 and 77 again. As again and again and again, you understand. Crypto will continue swinging 25-85%, and that playing out in front of you live. But after all, identical event on Euro. My hometown in Ukraine is bumped, but Euro skyrocketing from the best level in 20 years. Oops! As again, the world is shocked. I lived in Ukraine most of my life. I never spoke a word of Ukrainian, only Russian. It's in your DNA. So to imagine that that will play out is surreal. Because no one could ever separate us, ever. But Euro staged the biggest rally despite worst wars in Europe. Oops. Surreal. So when Nvidia is skyrocketing in exact way and crashes and burns in front of you from reversal zone, this never, ever, ever gets sold. Alpha Fibonacci System is my passion and my obsession, and I prove it to you. Choose it, tick. Time and time again, you have freedom to trade any instrument you choose. Let's go to oil, shall we? Oil news at any moment. Again, we have no idea what oil news is, but we know where oil heading to, correct? Let's go to oil. Again, institutional buy point, identical level is on Bitcoin, identical level is on Nasdaq every chart, identical level as on S&P every chart, in a play in front of you right now on institutional chart on oil and on micro retail chart on S&P. I have not touched this chart in weeks. So let's go and see what oil news is, shall we? It's extremely bullish, catastrophic undersupply of oil. Again, key event playing out in front of you. Choose a tick. So William and I have been together for 15 years. We met multiple times in New York and California. I adore William and I adore his wife. William cannot get enough of my strategies. That's it. This is our global community from all over the world. My students are my only marketing power. I do not like noise. I do not need anyone doing my marketing. My exact same team of 2 people for 15 years. Quality traders, quality human beings. All I ask you is to make an effort. Again, to recap, zero software on oil. All you need, Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can trade it MT4, MT5, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, Thinkorswim, TradingView platforms I never even heard of. As traders in US and 58 countries, trading proprietary system. If the platform has Fibonacci retracement tool, all you need is your effort. You do not have to come to live classes. Students work full time, students in different time zones, hundreds and hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes. But if you can't come to classes, Monday is the most important day. I devote Mondays to my students. So please come to the website and read the summary on the website, and if something is not clear, you can easily contact me and sign up for the invitation to our trading room where you can ask me questions. Proprietary system traded globally across all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Traded by traders from 12 to 80 plus year old, from complete beginner traders to hedge fund managers to prop firm traders. I love when Theo's stopping by in the course in the middle of the night in Australia, sharing his phenomenal performance. I love when Emmanuel bringing his wife to the course. They become both full-time traders. Carlton bringing so many friends, trading S&P, Ken, movie maker, trading crypto on his iPhone. We met multiple times in London. His daughter gave me the most phenomenal handwritten card. Richard retired trading the system. David retired trading the system. Waiting list of students to do the podcast. I love seeing the progress of our complete beginner traders. Pablo doing another podcast tomorrow. He closed his low practice. He's trading it all. Future stocks, forex, options, everything. Sue, my other dearest friend for life, lost a fortune before, and you can see their emails on the performance. Right now she's trading and managing multiple other accounts. She's in Dallas, Pablo in Spain. Ken is a crypto trader, time and time again. All of this in front of you. This is my marketing power, our global community of our traders. So my students' words is the reason I wake up at 4 a.m. every day and keep saying no to top financial institutions. Because if complete beginner trader can become prop firm trader, anyone can. That's it. So simply choose the option appropriate for you. Group course, hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes, the most popular option, option 2. So if you are on Ninja Trader 8, option 2 and 4 appropriate for you. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Every single option includes system. For all platforms, all instruments, all timeframes, only requirement, Fibonacci retracement tool. Private mentoring option 4 is the most desirable option. I hold your hand in the process, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. I show you if you should be day trading or not, and if not, we focus on the instrument of your choice. In group course, you come to live classes if you can. Again, Monday and Thursday are the most important class days. And if you cannot come to live classes, simply view videos 24/7 of prior live recorded classes. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call US +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. This is Oil Now Traders stock, correct? And we knew what would cause a problem to the upside. Are we clear on that? Again, this is Nasdaq for the last 30 minutes. A short reach, exhaustion level and reversal zone. This is key level in front of you this morning. Are we clear on that? Buyers are weak, but buyers picking up this steam. This is software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. I'm putting micro and Q on my right. I'm putting S&P on my left. And I remind you what playing out on oil. As oil stuck in bullish weakness, correct? There is no bullish rally. This level blocking it to the upside. It doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15 any chart. This is where oil is now. This is drastically better place to be than here. Agree? Terry knows this well. So again, please reflect on that phenomenal bullish news. Market remains stuck. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader extremely well aware why market not skyrocketing and knows this far in advance. This is a level that's blocking bullish rally. Intelligent trader understands buying at this level where intelligent trader wants to be. Again, buyers stepped in from this level well before the news because this is institutional buy point. This is not. This is retail brick wall to the upside. And that's the power of the system during extremely important major news on oil. So thank you so much, everyone. If you're serious about trading, I look forward to working with you. Please do not hesitate to contact me with questions. I live and breathe what I do. And if you're serious about trading, this is all you have to do. Make an effort, view videos, and if you can, come to live classes. Tomorrow's institutional class can change your trading forever. Monday, we dissect market to the tick and we take you through micro to macro charts, and you see versatility of the system in a single class. How you can day and position trade Alpha Fibonacci system on any instrument, any time frame, any platform. So thank you so much, everyone. It's been my joy and honor. I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow. Thank you.